welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how easy it is to make butter cookies right in your own home. You know those cookies that come in the blue tin that we love at Christmas time? Yes, I will be showing you guys how to make those. And to get started, you will need some all-purpose flour. Then you will need some powdered sugar, 2 sticks of butter, 2 egg yolks, some vanilla extract, and a little bit of coarse sugar. So to get started, we will start by mixing the butter just to break it up a little bit. And you will need to have your butter at room temperature, that way it's easier to mix. Then we will add our powdered sugar and we will mix until it's light and fluffy. Next, we'll take our spatula and scrape down the edges of the bowl, just making sure everything is inside of the middle. Then we will add our 2 egg yolks and we will mix well, but we don't want to over mix it. As soon as it's well incorporated, you will stop right there because we don't want to add too much air into the batter. Then we will add our vanilla extract. We will mix that well. And then we will start adding our flour. Now we'll add the flour a little at a time in 3 batches until it's well incorporated. And this is how your dough should be looking when it's done, kind of like Play-Doh. Now we'll go ahead and start forming our little cookies. And here I have my cookie sheet with some parchment paper. And I will be using a cookie press for these cookies. But you can also use like a piping bag with a thimble, or you can use a cookie cutter. Whatever you have in your kitchen, go right ahead and use that. I will be using this cookie press and I have my different molds that I'll be switching them up and just to make my cookies look pretty and festive. Now we will place the dough inside of the cookie press and just squeeze, and some beautiful little flour like cookies will come out. And we will repeat that same process until they're all done. So I just wanted to show you guys that you can also cut these using a pizza cutter, and I want to replicate the exact cookies that be inside of that blue tin. So there's one of them that comes in a square shape. So I will be doing that by cutting these in a square shape because my cookie press does not have a square mold. So I'll cut these square, and then we will sit this inside of the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Because we had them out so long, the butter has melted a bit and I don't want to put them in the oven right away. I will allow them to chill a bit, then we'll put them inside of the oven. So after chilling in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes, we will now place a little bit of that coarse sugar. I think it's called sanding sugar, on top of a few of the cookies. We will not put it on all of them, but just a few of them. And then we will place this in an oven of 350 degrees for about let's say 12 to 15 minutes. So the cookies are now out of the oven and they smell amazing. And I tasted one of them and they melt in my mouth. So delicious. So here I have my storage tin. Yes, I am going all out. You guys know I am extra. And I found this tin at the Kroger grocery store. You can find them in almost any of your grocery stores or even the Dollar Tree. And I will place my little cupcake holders and then I will place my cookies in here and I will store them. Okay guys, so this is the finished product of the Danish butter cookies. They are absolutely amazing. They melt in your mouth and you can have them with some hot chocolate, some coffee, some tea, whatever you desire. And if you guys enjoyed that video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I will leave all the ingredients down in the description box and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!